What's up, fellow cryptocurrency aficionados? Welcome to Crypto Affairs, the most up-to-date source for cryptocurrency news and information. If you're new to the site, we provide new cryptocurrency information every day. It's fantastic to have you back in today's video if you're already a subscriber, and if you are yet to subscribe, please do that because it helps this channel grow. So can we discuss about the most recent developments? Addressing the introduction of the Pi Network's mainnet as well as the Pi Network's future. Let's get this party started. Late last month, the Pi Network debuted its much-anticipated mainnet, which is now available for usage. The mainnet of the Pi Network is now practically fully functioning, ushering in the mainnet's confined or closed network. Within the confined network, the blockchain is firewalled to prevent external connectivity while permitting peer-to-peer and app-to-peer transfers. The primary net can be observed using the Pi Block Explorer by pioneers. Although everyone's main net balance is presently zero since users must complete KYC before transferring their crypto to the main, the Pi wallet now displays both testnet and main net balances. More pioneers who have completed KYC will now be able to see their balances on the Pi wallet. The KYC solution will be up and running soon, allowing the pioneers to validate their identity and enrollment. Token design is critical to a cryptocurrency network's success and long-term viability. Tokens can be utilized to generate utilities drive, as well as to provide incentives for growth and expansion. For the coin that underpins such a system, there is an ecosystem. The incentives of a network reveal a lot about what the platform requires. For example, if it is experiencing a lack of new members or acceptance, this might indicate that it needs to expand or add use cases for more users, or it could just be keeping money and providing liquidity for crypto assets as a medium of exchange. We'll talk about the supply of Pi coins and how pioneers might mine them at different levels of the network to better understand the mainnet aims. You'll learn about the network's many stages as well as the design decisions made for each mining strategy. This includes building and developing the network so that the peer-to-peer economy can be as inclusive as feasible. Pi Network's mission is to provide the most inclusive online peer-to-peer experience imaginable. The primary distinction between the pre-made net phases and the powered by the Pi coin net phases is that the pre-made net phases concentrated on boosting network growth and widely distributing Pi coins. Pi Network's first priority was on strengthening network security, but they're currently working on growing the network for any crypto or blockchain network, whereas the main net phase focuses recognizing more unique forms of contributions from Pi Network members. With the goal of making Pi the most widely used cryptocurrency in the world, it's vital to have a critical mass of people who can donate or be reached. The network's expansion will be aided by making it available globally. Pi's consensus technique is built on a global network of security based on the individual, so encouraging pioneers to develop their own security networks is critical. As a result, pioneers should try to draw independent security circles in order to contribute to the network's development. One of the ways Pi Network plans to achieve its objectives is to produce the world's fastest cryptocurrency. This may be accomplished by growing the network to as many users as possible, making Pi available everywhere, ensuring blockchain security, and maintaining the scarcity of Pi coins. The goals of mining design have been important since the beginning, which means that the supply of tokens available through mining rewards will be capped every time the network size grows by a multiple of 10. Giving Pi coin a predetermined supply, similar to Bitcoin and other popular cryptocurrencies based on this. When the network hits 100 million active pioneers, the next milestone will be reached. In the mining mechanism, there was an uncertain supply. This enhanced network accessibility and user growth, but it also made it more difficult to provide precise payouts to miners. They plan to remove these limits with the launch of the Pi Network mainnet phase, which will have a predefined supply of Pi that may be mined. All of these factors were considered by the Pi Network team, which decided to move to the main net phase and implement its functionality, although in a closed network way. The pre-mainnet form of the Pi Network was able to reach this vast number of users. Picoin may be mined by anyone with a mobile phone and an internet connection due to the ease. This removes the mining barriers that other cryptocurrencies, like as Bitcoin, have due to their high capital energy requirements. The Pi Network aims to prevent a large number of coins from ending up in the hands of a small number of people, something to which Bitcoin succumbs. The issue is that a small number of people control a disproportionately large amount of Bitcoin in comparison to the rest of their users. Pi Network's infrastructure designs aim to eliminate these issues. The team's ability to plan the greatest utility of the Pi currency is becoming increasingly challenging because to the pre-mainnet Pi Network disadvantages of an unknown supply. Like other prominent blockchains, the Pi Network stipulates allocation for communal use. Beginning March 14, 2019, the team will keep to their original proposal for the distribution of Pi throughout the network. 80 of all circulating Pi coins will go to the Pi community, while 20 will go to the Pi core team. This equates to approximately 80 billion Pis for users and 20 billion for the network. with 30 million pioneers and millions more expected to join the Pi network now that it is in the mainnet phase. The capped supply of 100 billion Pi will allow the team to incentivize user contributions and continue growth while keeping intrinsic value in the current. The Pi network and the Pi coin value utility have a bright future ahead of them. One of the key goals of Pi network's main launch is to increase the value of the Pi currency. For financial reasons, many, if not all, users participate and contribute. What are some Pi coin price predictions for 2022 and beyond? The Pi core team is convinced that the introduction of the mainnet will boost user competency in the network's native currency's intrinsic value. So what are some Pi coin price predictions for 2022 and beyond? Pi coin is presently valued at 0.7077 according to CoinMarketCap and Wallet Investor. Wallet Investor predicted a Pi cryptocurrency price of 0.132 with a low of 0.743 in March. However, it is not changing its forecast at this time. Digital_Scoins, the price of the Pi network is expected to rise over the next 4 years, according to predictions. The price is expected to be 0.108 in March, rising to 0.0128 in 2022 and 0.212 in 2025, according to the March forecast. Analysts estimate that widespread acceptance of Pi might boost the coin's price to 16 cents or possibly $1 in a year. They believe that the price of Pi could reach $5 in the long run. Regardless of these price forecasts, we always encourage conducting your own study on the Pi network, as well as any other cryptocurrency, in order to build a healthy and organic economy. The Pi network will require contributions from its users in both traditional and novel forms. Pi network should be able to meet its aims of decentralization, stability, scarcity, user experience, and more with the help of these new mining processes, which have been introduced in the mainnet. That concludes today's description of the Pi network launch. Do you believe the major launch will be a follow-up? Does it not address the issues with the Pi network? What do you think the price of a Pi coin will be? Please let us know in the comments section below. We hope you found this video entertaining. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to stay up to date on the newest Pi network and cryptocurrency news. So guys, until the next time, do have a great day, and thanks for watching.